In this video, we are going to cover security. Here we're looking at the program menu for total management, and this menu is actually controlled by security. We'll also take a look at the security inside of total management applications. Let's start by clicking Menu Setup. This will allow me to pick a user from a list and decide what buttons that user will have on their menu. So clearly, only an administrator would be able to do this. Let's go with Macaulay. And now we can go down and add some menu buttons for this user. To be able to do this, you'd need the Menu Setup button. So this would be an administrator. I'll add a few more buttons. Here we can click Add User to Program menu. And this will give Macaulay the menu buttons when the program reloads. Okay, we can exit. Now let's go to Parts and Service and talk about security inside the program itself. We can see up top right, it says Secure Menu, and it's exactly that. The buttons here, the large icons, they are all controlled by system security. So only an administrator would have access to that. So let's go up and click on Administration, then down to Security, and over to Manager. Now we're in Security Manager. Let's go up and select a user. Let's stick with Macaulay. On the left here we have all the groups available, and on the right we have all the groups that Macaulay is a member of. I can see on the left there's some groups that Macaulay is not a member of, change location being one of them. And if you wanted to add them, you could simply click on them and they would move over. An easier way would be to go up to Profiles, and let's give Macaulay administrative privileges. Click on Administrator, and then click the selected profile to selected user. And that's it. With one click, we've given Macaulay administrative privileges. We can see the change location has moved over, along with the others. Let's go up to Add and Edit Profiles. When we distribute a program, these security group profile names are already included. But this doesn't prevent you from creating your own profiles. Let's go ahead and create one. Let's call it Receiving. I'll go ahead and click Close. And now we go up to Manage Profiles. And if I go to Select Profile, we should see Receiving here. And there it is. I'll click on that. And from here I can add groups to Receiving. Let's go with Inventory. And let's go with Parts. They really don't need anything else. Alright, let's go add someone to Receiving. Okay, let's stick with Macaulay. We'll go over to Profiles. And click on Receiving, and then Apply. And now we can see Macaulay is a member of these two security groups. Having these profiles set up ahead of time is a huge time saver. And that's it. We start out by giving you profiles, and if you add a new employee, you can just add them to an existing profile, or you can create a new profile like we did here with Receiving. And what we've shown here is that you can add a level of security to suit the needs of your company.